Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python dates tool. So the explanation written in slide is slightly difficult to understand. So I will tell you a clear cut and easy to understand explanation of Python dates function. Python dates is actually a tool to write live date and time in any coding project or file. So here is an example. We can simply import date and time through this function. Here we will write x is equal to date time dot now. Now will actually help us to get live date and time, which will change according to the date and time. So that's how we can achieve live date and time. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.